Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to clear all your search history by date on Facebook using your PC. Facebook has recently updated this feature, making it easier than ever to manage your privacy. Let's dive right in. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to facebook.com. Once you're logged in, look at the top right corner of the page. You'll see your profile picture there. Go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear. Look for the Settings and Privacy option and click on it. From there, select Activity Log. This is where Facebook keeps track of all your activities on the platform. Now, in the left sidebar of your activity log, you'll see various categories. Scroll down until you find Search. Click on it, and then select your search history. This will show you a list of all your recent searches on Facebook. Here's where the new update comes in handy. At the top of the page, you'll notice a Date option. Click on it, and you'll be able to choose a specific time period for which you want to clear your search history. You can select options like last 24 hours, last 7 days, last 30 days, or even set a custom date range. Once you've selected your desired time frame, click Save Changes. Facebook will then filter your search history to show only the results from that period. Finally, to clear all the searches from your chosen time frame, look for the Clear Searches button at the top right of the page. Click it, and Facebook will prompt you to confirm your action. Once you do, all those searches will be wiped clean. And there you have it. You've successfully cleared your Facebook search history for a specific date range. Remember, it's a good practice to review and clear your search history regularly to maintain your privacy on social media platforms. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.